On July 26th, I'll be leaving for a mission trip to Moldova. I'll be joining a group of 12 others who are from a French church called Le Portail in Laval. For a few of us, it'll be our first time. I'd say about 3 months ago or 4, I was approached by one of my suppliers at the restaurant, and he asked me if I'd consider joining him on a missions trip and if I even knew where Moldova was. I'd never even heard of Moldova. He said, "I hear you're pretty good with your hands, and we're looking for someone that can do construction type work." And I thought, well, I can do that, but why would I go to Moldova? Jean-Marc then explained to me how great the need was in that country, and how that there are children abandoned in the streets, left to fend for themselves. This touched me. He then mentioned there was a family working on making things better. They didn't even have running water in their house. I'm not a preacher or even a public speaker. I never pictured myself going on a missions trip. But building, passing plumbing pipes, this I can do. But how will I afford to pay for this? It's amazing how, when something is in God's plan, all the pieces fall into place. About a year earlier, I was offered 2 chisels by one of my suppliers. So I took them and I brought them to my garage, and there they sat for a few months. While I was cleaning my backyard, I found an old 2x4, brought it into the garage and started to test out my chisels. I noticed that the 2x4 was starting to look a little like a propeller. I thought then to build one of those radial engines and just put it up as a decoration. But then, as I was building, I just couldn't stop. So I just kept building. I didn't know why, but I was going to build an airplane. Everything just fell into place. I had no plans, just one piece after another. It came together. Then it struck me. I can use this plane to raise money for the missions trip. Plain hope for the children of Moldova. I decided to raffle off this handcrafted plane so we could raise the money we need to help the children of Moldova. The tickets are going for $20 each, or 3 for $40. Everything raised will go 100% towards the work in Moldova. I hope that you will feel as I do. Pick up a ticket. Even if you don't win the plane, God will bless you for caring.